Start gambling, you will win every time. There's women too. Anthony, say hi. Wave at them, Anthony, wave at them.
Rev it!
Rev it! The whole fucking thing shakes. Listen. That's some real freedom right there.
I fucking love that. That thing's sick, bro.
Look at your truck, bro.
Yeah, but that one's down.
So Anthony, where are we today?
We're at the Wheel Pros open house. They do this once a year, and I'm excited because they always show new stuff, some cool cars. Do like they have a Fast and Furious Supra over there.
We'll go check it out. But guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today we are at Wheel Pros with Anthony and Rick, and we're gonna head in. And they've got a barbecue. They've got Fast and Furious cars.
They got a bunch of cars, wheels. They have a raffle. They have some food. It's gonna be a good time. So stay tuned.
Absolutely, let's go. Not only is this a Fast and Furious car, there's 2 bottles of nitrous in there. Fat tires, slicks, mind you.
What up, and Motegi wheels.
This thing is built, dude.
Wow, it's really impressive.
Dude, look at the fucking front. Look how tall that rotor is.
Look at that thing. Tank. The huge canards.
I fucking love these Broncos. That Bronco's sick, look at it.
So we just checked in, and what do we have here, Anthony?
This is the showrooms where I have all the custom made wheels. Basically, where they take all the orders.
That's their sales room. Yep. It's like the Audio City sales room.
Pretty much.
They don't do send USA.
Yes, USA. Sorry, Miss Kim.
You gotta see the car they got here. One of my favorites. The Camaro Hoonigan. You're like, this. That Hoonigan Camaro is sick, bro.
They got roulette here, bro.
Oh, they do?
Feed the gambling addiction.
Let's go.
There's women too. Anthony, say hi. Wave at them, Anthony. Wave at them. Look at this. This table's basically for dude. They got all sorts of shit.
Yeah, they do.
Miss Kim would love this for real. They got everything. Holy shit.
Stick that on the rail outside.
So you said red is
5. Green is 25, black is 100.
Okay.
I don't know how fast you want to win it or lose it.
All right, I bet. Let's start with 5.
Perfect. Pick 2 dice. Gently toss them to your left. 1 needs to hit the wall. 7 or 11, you win. 2, 3, 12, you lose. Nothing else matters.
Okay. And what if they both hit the wall?
That's fine too.
They just have to hit the wall.
No, again, in Las Vegas, 1 needs to hit the wall. Here, I don't really care.
All right.
7 is good. Leave 1, pick 1 up.
There you go. Guys, start gambling. You will win every time.
7 or 11 is good. 2, 3, 12 is bad. Nothing else matters.
Snake eyes! Snake eyes!
Rebet. So, 2, 6, or 8, you're a winner.
All right, let's go. 2, 6, or 8. See, they don't teach you this at the casino. He's teaching me the strategies on how to
He's like,
win
of
as
course
well.
he wouldn't teach you.
Yeah.
It's actually 4, 6, or 8.
8. Got 8 there. I'm gonna pay you that.
It's gonna come up black.
Huh?
It's gonna come up black.
I don't care.
It's free today. Huh? It's free today. Okay. No more bets. Okay.
Bro,
So what does that green mean?
you lost it. Rick, Audi on Rotiforms.
Can't go wrong. Fucking beautiful.
This thing does
This is
fuck.
beautiful. Look at how it's tucked. Look at this, guys. No space. No space.
We are outside now, and look at the size of this Nitto booth. Holy fuck.
They bought a whole semi truck out, guys. Check
Dude,
this out.
Nitto don't play around. And look at this. They got all sorts of stuff, including a Golf, a 3-door Golf. That's low-key hard, I drive now. On Rotiforms. It's freaking sweet.
Look.
Look at this. A Lexus on
Lexus
KMCs.
on KMCs.
That's wild.
Nomad grappler wheels. Look at
I like this, bro. Look at the shocks on this.
that.
But look at the setup in this FJ. They're not playing around, are they?
No, not at all. This is super fun.
Dude, you know what I've noticed? And guys, you might have noticed this too. Corporate money is ridiculous. They don't play around.
Yeah.
Corporate guys have huge semis. They have crazy displays, and they have roulette for fun.
I think it's pretty fun.
It's not bad.
Golf hard.
Slammed Golf R, guys. Check this shit out. Oh, you know, that is sick. Bro, never mind this Golf, which low-key is hard as fuck. Rick,
Look at that. Oh, fuck.
this is wild. Guys, would you daily this? Let us know in the comments below. I, on the other hand, I definitely would daily this. This thing's wild. Dude, this is like a rock crawler for real. Look at the size of that.
It's a Mars rover, bro.
It is a Mars rover.
Mars rover.
That is like
Chevy El Camino.
very classic. Some women over there. Rick, go say hi. Rick, go say hi. Women.
To who? To who?
The bitches.
Ah, you're funny.
Go say hi.
Yeah, not on camera.
They want you, bro. Corolla is a bit whack, but those wheels are hard as fuck.
Yeah, Rotiform Aero disc. Look at this.
Like those are
Design
hard.
is coming back, guys. I don't know if you, a lot of manufacturers, Mercedes in particular, right?
They're doing that too.
They're starting to do this aero design. They brought it back, which I think makes the wheel actually look smaller than it really is. Because these are 19s, right? But they look more like 17s, right?
Facts, because it's inlaid. But I agree with Rick. These things are hard as fuck. They're coming back.
And check this out, gloss black. I mean, you don't really get many gloss black wheels nowadays.
You really don't. But we have cool shit like this. We have crazy Jeeps, crazy bar hug Beetles, and then El Caminos and all sorts. It's a good day out here. Wheel Pros has put on a good spread.
Yeah,
And
very
Anthony's being funny right now. He's over there. I'm gonna clip him because this guy is so funny. He's mad right now.
I'm like, yeah, fuck you, and hangs up. And I'm like, he gets mad because I'm telling you, you don't have shit in stock. He's like, what do you want, Anthony?
Because they're not stocking enough wheels. Alright guys, guess what's happened? I've just won a set of tires. And no, that's not clickbait. They called it out. I was on the other side of the thing. I'm running over.
I think Anthony just wants something. Check this out. Hold on.
Shit.
What are they letting you choose?
Well, no, I won free tires.
Bro, let me choose the tires for you.
Yeah. No, they're Milestar tires. Andy Sprocket. Milestar tires. Unexpected turn of events in this vlog, but here we are. It's W. That is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed the inside look at what it looks like to be at the world's largest, well, America's largest wheel manufacturer and distributor. So,
Probably the world.
you think so?
Yeah, I think they're the biggest wheel distributor in the world because they own, I mean, the Black Rhino,
everyone, man.
Rotiform, Fuel.
They own everyone.
I mean, Motegi, Dub. Dude, so many brands. They have to be the biggest in the world, for sure.
Literally. So guys, that is the largest wheel manufacturer and distributor in the world. And that was an inside look at their function for people like us.
Yeah, for sure, guys. And
Absolutely.
Then subscribe to Andy's YouTube. Yep, and then more content like this. We're gonna keep pumping more stuff. So
Anthony's 100% on the money. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more content just like this, subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
peace.